Hi everyone, in today's video we are checking out the Hotwav Cyber X Pro rugged Android smartphone. It is a versatile rugged smartphone which has many important features like a high-pixel camera, rugged built-in 4G connectivity. Let us check out what is inside the box to see what it has to offer. Inside the box, users will find one set of screen protector for protecting the device screen, along with a Hotwav Cyber X Pro. One set of charging cables are provided. A user guide is included to guide users on the device operation. A wall charger is provided too for charging up the device. One SIM card pin is included, all packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Hotwav Cyber X Pro is a versatile and rugged smartphone with a solid feel and design. Let us peel off the protective layer and boot up the device. The triple rear cameras look advanced and cool, with a 108-megapixel high-resolution main lens to capture clear pictures and videos. At the side there is a SIM and SD card slot which you can use to connect to mobile data and expand your storage size. At the other side, there is a power button, fingerprint scanner and volume keys to control the phone's volume settings, all neatly arranged at the side for easy controls. Let us boot up the device. The device interface is neat and simple, all the apps are all very conveniently arranged and assigned. It is powered by Android 13 OS which runs pretty smoothly and is one of the newest available at the time of filming. As you see, the interface and apps are mostly stock version and easy to use and access. Let us check out the camera interface. It is simple to use, simply point and capture the images or videos you want with a single click of the screen button. Let us check out some images captured on the Hotwav Cyber X Pro. The images captured are clear and vivid. I can see details in it clearly thanks to the high-resolution main lens. Awesome! The bag app on the Hotwav Cyber X Pro is very useful when you are out and about doing exploring trips. It has a compass, sound detector, alarm siren, and many other tools that you can use during your trips. It is running on Android 13 OS which is one of the more newer Android versions available. It supports 4G network for good internet and call connectivity. There is a secondary back display which you can see the time, date or check for incoming calls when your phone is flat down. It has a 10,200 mAh battery which can last a pretty good amount of time on a single full charge. There is a 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM for users to enjoy smooth browsing and high-capacity storage for better storage for your favorite photos and videos or games. Overall, I find the Hotwav Cyber X Pro rugged Android smartphone a good option for people looking for a versatile, sleek and rugged Android device that has an advanced software and modern design with a cool back display. If you want to find out more about the Hotwav Cyber X Pro, check out the details in the description. Thank you for watching.